Available on select Acura models, low-speed braking control provides greater confidence when driving at low speeds. Low-speed braking control detects objects in front of or behind the vehicle while moving forward or reversing at low speeds. The system expands the capability of the collision mitigation braking system to low speeds, including short-distance situations like parking. It can notify the driver to brake to avoid potential hazards. If necessary, it can apply the brakes to prevent a collision or mitigate its effects. Low-speed braking control works while the vehicle is moving between 2 and 10 kilometers per hour. The system first issues visual and audible alerts to notify the driver of detected obstacles, and, if necessary, applies the brakes to avoid a collision. The system keeps the brakes applied for a short period of time and then releases them. Simply apply the brake pedal to remain stopped. The feature can also suppress throttle input if the driver inadvertently presses the gas pedal instead of the brake pedal. After the feature has activated once, it will not activate again for the same obstacle. Low-speed braking control operation is affected by weather, speed, and other factors. In some situations, it may not function normally or at all. To ensure optimal system functionality, keep the front and rear sonar sensors free from dirt, snow, salt, and other debris or obstructions. Low-speed braking control should be disabled anytime you tow, as it may detect the towed object as an obstacle. To disable the feature, press the safety support switch to the left of the steering wheel. Roll the right selector wheel until low-speed braking control is highlighted in the instrument cluster display. Press the selector wheel inwards to turn the system off. Should you prefer to disable the system in other situations, you can do so at any time by following the same procedure. Note that the system defaults to being on with each key cycle.